So today we will learn about the for loop. It is a control flow statement that allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code a specified number of times. To use a for loop, we need a for keyword. Inside the parentheses, there are three parts. Initialization. It initializes a counter variable. Condition. It defines the condition for executing the loop. Iteration. It updates the counter variable after each iteration of the loop. Then inside the curly braces, we add the code that will be executed. Now, let's take them in action. I have script.js. Inside the script, I have the function to generate a random number. At the bottom, I have the while loop which we have added in our previous session. Now, let's convert this while loop into a for loop. So let me add for keyword, followed by the parentheses and a curly braces. Then inside the parentheses, let me add the initialization. So let me cut this variable and paste them over here. Then I need a condition. So let me cut this condition and paste them over here. Finally, I need the iteration. So let me cut them and paste them over here. So instead of adding counter plus equals 1, we have a shorthand. We can simply use counter plus plus. Now inside the curly braces, let me call the function and log them in the console. If you check the preview, you should still see 5 random numbers over here. Instead of adding the counter as a variable name, most developers prefer to use I or J as a variable name. So let me change all of them to I. If you check the preview again, it should still work. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the fourth topic, challenge. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.